If you've tuned into the news recently, then you've probably heard about the devastating fires impacting Los Angeles County. While there's no way of knowing when an accidental fire may occur, the good news is that there are steps we can take to increase our safety. Today, I'll be discussing the importance of the smoke alarm. The smoke alarm is a fire protection device that may detect and give warning to the presence of smoke. This small piece of life-saving equipment should be placed in every level of your home, inside bedrooms and outside sleeping areas. It's also important that you test your smoke alarm. Every month, simply test your alarm by holding down the test button. If your alarm is not working, change the batteries and try again. Ideally, the batteries should be replaced at least once a year. I personally change the batteries the same day I change my clocks for daylight saving. If your alarm chirps, then something is wrong with your smoke alarm. You may need to replace its batteries or clean off any items impairing its sensitivity, such as dust or cobwebs. This may also be the time to replace your smoke alarm if it's older than 10 years. Lastly, if you have children in your household, be sure to teach them what smoke alarms sound like and what to do when they hear one. By taking these few moments to install these life-saving devices, you can take comfort in the fact that you and your loved ones will be significantly safer. Reporting from Safety Zone, I'm Crystal De La Rosa, your Transit TV EMT.